Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, you are highly welcome. To my old subscribers, thank you for staying back. Looking at this video, you know what I'm going to teach us today. I'll be showing you how to make smoky patty jollof rice at home. You can see the smoke, right? So just sit down and enjoy how this was made. You don't have to cook in large quantity before you achieve smoky flavored rice. So let's get started. So we'll start by boiling our protein. You can use any protein of your choice. I'll be using chicken for today. After that, add some onion. After adding the onions, add some pepper that has ginger, garlic and onion. This pepper is totally optional. You can omit this part, but I just like to add pepper to mine. Add some seasoning, bay leaf, curry, thyme and salt, any seasoning of your choice. Then after that, mix it together. You know, meat stock or chicken stock is very important when you're making your patty jollof rice. So that's why you have to boil your chicken or any protein of your choice. Then add some water. After adding the water, mix it. Then cover and allow to cook till done. At interval, you can check it and test for the seasoning. If there's any need to add more seasoning, please feel free to do that. Just cover, allow to cook till done. At this point, my chicken is ready. It's well cooked and soft. So I had to remove it from the stock. Then if you need to add more water, please feel free to add the water because your chicken stock is very important when you're making jollof rice. So let's move to the next step. So for the pepper mix, I'll be using shombo and tatashe. I've removed the seed behind the camera. Then I have some scotch bonnet just for it. This scotch bonnet here is very spicy, so that's why I'm just using 2 pieces of scotch bonnet. Add some onion, ginger and garlic. I will not be using tomatoes for this particular one, but if you want to use tomatoes, please feel free to add just little. Then I went ahead to blend that off camera. So it's time to make our jollof rice. Put some oil in the pot, allow it to heat up for some minutes. Add your chopped onions, allow the onions to fry for some minutes. Then after frying it, you move on to the next step. Because we are not using tomatoes today, fresh tomatoes, you'll be using lot of tomato paste. Okay, but if you want to put tomatoes, as I said earlier, do add that, but your tomatoes should not be too much, just little. I removed the tomato because I want to cut down the frying process. You know, with the tomatoes it takes a lot of time. So after that, fry your tomato paste till you remove the salt taste from it, and it's very nice, like it should be looking nice after frying it. Then add your seasoning. Add bay leaf, curry, thyme, salt and any seasoning of your choice, but please don't add too much at this point because our chicken stock is well seasoned. So just reduce the seasoning. You can correct it after adding the chicken stock. Okay, so after that, allow it to fry. As you see me do here, fry your tomato paste well. So I'll be using this jollof spice by Maggi. This is not a paid advert, but I just like the seasoning in my jollof rice. I decided to show you guys. You can use any one you are comfortable with. After that, mix everything together. Looking at my tomato paste, you should know that it's well fried because the oil has changed in color. It's no longer white. It's looking that reddish. It's having that reddish color. Add your blended pepper. After adding the blended pepper, mix everything together till it's well combined, as you see me do in this video. After mixing it, then we proceed to the next step. So after that, you cover it and allow it to fry till it's done. For 20 to 15 minutes should be ready. But how you will know that your pepper mix is ready is seeing the oil flowing on top of the pepper base. As you see in this video, you can see the oil on top of it. So that shows us that our pepper is ready. Then add your chicken stock at this point, chicken stock or beef stock. Then at this point also, you cannot taste for your seasoning. If there's any need to add more seasoning, please feel free to do that. Because my chicken stock is not enough, so I added just little water. Okay, not too much. So looking at this, my base is not too watery and is not too thick. So this is just the perfect consistency to make your jollof rice. If you want the jollof rice to come out well, go ahead and cover it, allow the water to come to a boil. After that, add your washed rice. This rice, I wash it with salt for like 4 to 5 times just to remove the starch. and I drained the water. That's why it's looking this dry. So after putting the rice, mix everything together till it's well combined. Let them marry each other, okay? So after that, you can cover it with some foil paper, baking paper, or just cover it with your cooking pot cover. So I just cover mine with my cooking pot cover and it's fine. After some minutes, I had to go and check on my rice. Please check on the rice, flip it to the other side as you see me do in this video, just to spread the heat evenly. Okay, just take those ones down, bring them up, those up, let them go down, so that it's not as if one part will be done and the other part is not well cooked. Okay, at this point the rice is not ready. Still go ahead and cover it and allow it to cook till done. So at this point my rice is ready, is well cooked and soft. The jollof rice at this point is jollofing. The aroma in the house is something else. So at this point, after that, add some onion. This onion is not a must, it's totally optional. It's just for extra flavor. You can add your sliced tomatoes, butter at this point. Anything you want to put, please feel free to do that, but I'm just adding onion for this. So now we have gotten to the part we're all waiting for, just to get that smoky flavored rice. This is what I've used and I've been using it. I used to get a perfect result, like it will give me that smoky flavored rice. Create an O in between your rice, then increase the flame of your gas. You hear me right? Increase the flame of your gas to the highest. After that, cover your pot. After covering your pot, then now leave it for 10 minutes, 10 to 5 minutes. Okay, after 10 minutes, go ahead and check your rice. Can you see the smoke? Yes, this is what I'm talking about. So for this one, you cannot use non-stick pot. You have to use this type of pot or any pot that is non-stick. So after that, reduce the flame, then cover it, allow the smoke to enter the rice, cover it and leave it. So this is what I have after cooking the rice. My rice is well cooked. It gives that smoky rice as if we went to a party. To be sincere, this rice came out nice. It was so delicious, tasty and yummy. So that's what I'm saying. You don't have to cook in large quantity to achieve that smoky flavored rice. So this is how I've been cooking it in my house and I've been getting desired results. If you have any question in the comment section, please drop it in the comment section. I'll be glad to answer you all. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to my channel for interesting and educative videos like this. Thank you for the like. Do well to like, comment and share my videos. All right, see you in my next one. Bye.